Want to snag that must-have item without breaking the bank all at once? Then, let's dive into how you can use PayPal's Pay-in for Inches to make budgeting a breeze. First, find that special item you've been eyeing on your favorite online store. Head to the checkout and select PayPal as your payment method. It's usually at the top of the options. Log into your PayPal account as you normally would. Now, look for the Pay-in for Inches option if it's available for your purchase. It'll be clearly displayed. Click on the Pay-in for option. You are now going to review the payment schedule and the terms. Make sure the dates for the next payments are displayed appropriately. Next, confirm your plan. PayPal will automatically split your purchase into 4 equal and interest-free payments. The first split payment is usually charged at purchase time. You're all set. Now, go back to the online store and your order is confirmed, and you will receive a confirmation email from PayPal with your payment schedule. Pay-in for Inches is a great way to manage your budget and make those purchases a little easier on your wallet. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful finance tips and tricks.